Day 2. We just woke up. This is the setup. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. And the race. We're gonna head to McDonald's right now, get some hot water, and then we're gonna make some instant oatmeal, brush our teeth, wash our face, you know, the car life kind of, the car life bathroom. I swear I don't eat McDonald's. Yesterday he was like, I actually want McDonald's. But I was like, oh, I have to charge my laptop, so we have to go here. I'm pretty hungry. Oh, so I got 2 McChicken, or 2 McSomethings, fries and a drink. These are my chicken pops, and they look disappointing. This was $3. We just arrived to what waterfalls? Paruma. Paruma. Can't read it. Check out the waterfall. Setting up the drone. And Jib just smacked my butt, so I'm gonna get it back right now. Hey, get away from me. That's such a beautiful waterfall. Honestly, super easy to get to. Not really something you want to get into as far as taking like a little splishy splash bath in it, but still just like a beautiful sight in general. So I'm gonna get you back. Oh, damn, he got me pretty good right now. Ow, that one hurt. Got him! I planned that with the vloggers. They're gonna know what's up and they're gonna see it. I just got my ass smacked. That hurt. But at least I got smacked in front of this, so. Alright, let's say it one more time. This is great. Alright, we're gonna go get 2 fresh coconuts. He's gonna cut it in front of us, and they cost 400, which is 4 American dollars. These coins are cool. I'll keep one.
2 coconuts?
Yeah. Oh, what? What would you say?
This is disgusting.
Right? Yeah, these don't taste that good. That's exactly my first thought. Disgusting, but you know, we must submerge in the culture of coconuts as well.
All right.
All right, Jib is gonna test out his iPhone GoPro.
The camera.
Ow! I just pulled my hair off so hard. I guess this is black sand, right? Like you said earlier. Whoa, it looks pretty black right now. Whoa, this looks really cool. I wish I had my camera right now. All right, Jib went in. Did you put your phone in? All right, GoPro, we're going in, baby. Maybe this is the end of this GoPro. Oh, it works. Cool, I mean, whoa, it looks pretty black right now. This looks really cool. I want a shot at this, but I have to go get my gear, which I don't have right now. Tahiti, my drip, Tahiti, my drip. I lost all the shampoo. You idiot! The drip. Oh my god! Literally, that's like the most important parts right now. I don't know why I'm filming with my phone. The no hotel life. You kind of have to work with what you got. And if you need a scrub, I'll show you what you're gonna have to do next. Just a second, let me get my back.
Down for the vlog.
Take some sand and then scrub it on your body.
Hey, that's a good idea. I didn't do that.
It takes all the dirt off. It's natural. It's showing.
Turn around, turn around. Reading my book in this nice rock circle with a bunch of coconuts all around me because we're in the jungle. We live on a tropical island. I bet there's water for them everywhere.
He doesn't want coconut water, Adam. Aww.
Alright, we might be stuck in mud.
Alright, you dude, come on.
What do you mean? You're not driving.
Why? What are you're telling me to get? Like, I'm gonna get stuck even more if I keep driving.
Maybe, or you could just power through and just...
Dude, no. Turn it off, dude.
No. Through and don't stick in one spot. Don't like power in, you know, like it'll just dig you deeper, you know. You got it, you got it. Oh, whatever. Just keep doing that again. We'll go faster, maybe. Okay, never mind.
Dude, seriously, please stop.
Stop what?
Just turn off the camera. Dude, turn off the camera.
We're stuck. Hard ground's right there. We're only right there. All right. 1, 2, 3, go! Got it! This ain't my first rodeo, all right? It might be Jarrell's first rodeo, but it ain't mine. Genius. All right, now we're gonna skate this full pipe. Maybe. It kind of looks pretty, but we'll try. Here we are walking through the wetlands of Tahiti. We're gonna, well, let's go inside it because we're already there. It looks like we can skate the middle. It just needs to be wiped up. Down.
I'm about to throw this GoPro to Adam right there. Hopefully he catches it.
Ah, bug went right in my ear right when you did it. Found this cool gap. It looked cool from right there. I'm gonna try and ollie this thing right here. No! Round 2. There you go. Dang, not wearing boxers is the worst thing when you're skating. So wet. Yeah.
We just pulled up to this little dirt spot. Right there, behind there, it's like a waterfall.
We're in the middle of a volcano almost, right? Dude, there's so many ways to go. We're almost at the Tahiti mark, right there. Like, we're in the middle of that. We're in the middle of Tahiti. I showed you on the map a second ago. But yeah, look at this, the valley of Tahiti, or Papipiao or something. But yeah, it looks like that. It's pretty sick. We just climbed some gnarly hills. We're in some Jurassic Park looking kind of things. There's mini waterfalls everywhere. Jib's being stubborn, doesn't want to let me drive. Just let me drive, come on, you need that.
Yeah.
You need that. I'll show you how to really drive off-road.
No.
Alright, fine, I'll take it easy.
No, I'm gonna just drive.
We're gonna be bouncing, going slow, just bouncing over every freaking pothole, just like dun, 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 dun. I bet you're trying to leave me. That's so funny because that's what I was trying to do.
So, you probably saw in the other clips, we just did a little 4x4, or just some off-road freaking explosions. Oh my god, that's my orange juice. No, but that's my new orange juice. Aha. Anyways, now we're about to go eat some food from a food truck that smells really good. But first we're gonna get some juice.
Strong beer.
What's the percentage?
Strong beer, 12.5.
Oh, shit. Oh, dude, the passion fruit sounds so good. Those are like equivalent. I think these are equivalent to Shastas.
Yeah.
Tahitian, lime, orange, red. What is even red? Who knows what red is? Oh, dude, that looks pretty good.
So we got the food truck food, and mine is super good. It's just fried chicken, but bam, this is what it looks like. Boom, bam, boom. And they gave us free bread with garlic butter. I'm gonna eat now.
Oh god.
Feeding the homeless. You're welcome, Dougie.